Today I'm making the first stage of celery salt, or celery powder. There's my trusty little Ninja Cuisinart Prep 11 Plus, and I've already put Dawn dish soap on the lugs so it comes off so easy, comes apart. And what I want to show is a little bit of my mania, how this happens. This is what I use. That ought to scare them.
Yeah.
And I feed the food down. I try to not go past these marks, because as you see, and I've got my blade extended up, and you see the top marks is like, that's it, you've just ruined the blade. So I try to stop right there, and that's easily a ½ inch. I do jalapenos the same way. I pinch the stem and take her down in and I stop there. The reason I do this the way I do is I want real thin sliced celery, just like I do our jalapenos. And to do them, sorry, trying to catch hold of that, on, and I feed it slowly.
And away she goes.
I come down to close to my mark, right there. I'm going to do a couple more and then I will turn off the camera. Well, after I show you my thin slices. You cannot lose concentration on this. Cannot. Or you will ruin your food processor. I'll get smoother as the day goes on. Bear with me and I'll show you my garlics. Hello. My celeries. Can you see them?
Yeah. Bringing in for a closer shot there.
Good.
Yeah.
See how thin they are? They will dry so quick. Okay, we'll see you in a few. I just want to share with you that I took these celeries and I cut the root off just barely. And then I sprayed them with Dawn dish soap and vinegar. Boy, did it cut the whatever was on it. And it's clean. I will not eat dirt. I do not expect my friends or family to eat dirt. You will never see dirt on the food that goes into our canning. They just came out so clean. We did this the other day when we were making jalapeno poppers. And the poppers came out just different, deliciously different. The jalapenos. The skins were more tasty. I mean, we both noticed it. What a difference. Here's Dagny. Oops. And because they are so thin, you don't have to spread them out too terribly. And we'll keep an eye on them today because I think they'll be done today. So there's our little Nesco Dehydrator. And I'm dehydrating the celery at 115 instead of 135 because I found out dehydrating slowly really gives good flavor on things. This is a great Nesco. Great dehydrator. Love it. People complain that it doesn't have an off and on switch. I don't care. It's a great dehydrator and it's affordable.